Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Doc. So here, log into your Chrome browser or any type of browser to be honest, but I would prefer Chrome for you guys. So here, go to the top right corner and find your Google Apps. Scroll down until you see your Google Docs. So here, do a blank document. It's pretty simple. So here, to create a Google Doc is just that simple. You didn't do anything else, or you can just go on to your Google search bar and say Google Docs. So once you're there, you just have to press 1, do blank page, and there you go. It's just that simple. So now you have a Google Docs, and then you can also go to File and open one if you have one presently, or you can even make a copy of this. So remember, whenever you type, this will save into your Google Drive. It'll be ready for offline use. It's just that simple. So that is how you create a Google Doc. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.